Katniel confirms their breakup through their Instagram post. Catherine Bernardo said, "Chapter closed. I hope this finally helps all of us to move forward. I won't be entertaining questions regarding this anymore. Thank you for understanding." Sa unang slide ng pinost niya ay ang picture nila ni Danielle when they were young. Sinundan ito ng mahabang message. Please check Catherine Bernardo's Instagram post. After a couple of minutes, Danielle also posted in his Instagram. He said, "Ikaw at ako." Same as Catherine, his first slide was their old photo when they were young, and the second slide was his message. Please check Danielle Padilla's Instagram post. It was so sad for all the Katniels who loved them deeply. Marami ako nakikitang umiiyak while reading their post sa FYP ko. Sakit naman kasi even me, I was also expecting and hoping na they will end up together. No one would thought that Katniel would fall apart. Kung titignan mo kasi parang sobrang healthy ng relationship nila. Pero syempre wala rin tayong alam kung anong nangyayari behind them. 11 years was too precious for them. Like what Catherine said, never niya pagsisisihan yon. I hope you both get healed fast, Catherine and DJ. Sobrang hirap yan sa umpisa pero alam namin kayang-kaya nyo lampasan. And for all the Katniels, yakap mahigpit. Respect their decision guys, kailangan tanggapin. Malay natin in the future kapag maayos ng lahat, pwede pa, alright? That's it for today's video. I hope all of us heal quickly and find the strength to move forward. God bless everyone.